To begin, we first need to connect to a VPN. This is the VPN I normally use. It's called Thunder VPN. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Thunder VPN, then install and open it. Once it's open, make sure to connect to a United States server. After confirming that you're connected, we can move on to the next step. Now, open your Chrome browser and go to sora.chatgpt.com. You'll need to log in with your account. So click Continue with Google. Once prompted, enter your name and continue. For this tutorial, I'll name my project Big Wiz Studios. At this stage, you'll see that Sora requests an invitation code. You might not have one, but don't worry, that's not the main focus of this video. In this tutorial, we're focusing on how to use Sora 2 for free and without any watermark limitations. However, I already have a separate video showing exactly how to get a Sora 2 invite code. You can find that video here on my channel. Check it out after this one. Now open a new tab and search for Mind Video. Click on the search result to go to the official Mind Video website. Here you'll find a lot of useful AI tools, all in one place. As you scroll down, you'll notice tools like Kling AI, Luma, Runway, Seaweed, Hilo, and more. But for today, our main interest is Sora 2, the text-to-video generator. From the menu, click on Sora 2. Now select Login for free. Once again, continue with your Gmail account to sign in. After logging in, you'll notice a clear message that says Sora 2 is live, completely free. And yes, that's absolutely true. No exaggeration here. Close the pop-up window, then open the menu and click Text to Video. This will open a prompt box where you can type what you want to create. On the menu, you'll see options like CDance Pro, CDance Lite, and others. Each of these has a credit value showing how many credits are needed per video generation. But notice this, Sora 2 Beta shows 0 credits, meaning it's completely free to use. That means you can generate unlimited videos with Sora 2 at no cost. I'll select Sora 2 Beta and type my prompt. A car in a futuristic city. Then click Generate, and the video creation process will begin right away. Once the video is done, let's preview it. If you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and download it. Now let's try something else. The famous Sora Cameo feature. For this example, I'll use @JakePaul as the cameo character. This will include Jake Paul in the video, no matter what scene you describe. I'll enter my prompt and hit Generate again. Once the generation completes, I'll download that video as well. Pretty cool, right? Sora 2 makes the process simple and seamless. Now, let's move on to removing the watermark from any video. To do that, open a new tab and search for Magic Eraser. Click on the first search result you see. Once you're on the site, click the menu icon, that's the 3 lines in the corner, and you'll find 2 options. 1, Video Watermark Removal, or 2, Sora Watermark Remover. Select Sora Watermark Remover and upload the video you want to edit. You'll see a box appear on your video. Stretch and position it directly over the watermark area. Once it's in place, scroll down and click Remove Now. Wait a few seconds. And there you go! The watermark has been successfully removed. Now simply download your clean, watermark-free video. And that's it! That's how easy it is to create unlimited videos using Sora 2 and how to cleanly remove any watermark from your AI-generated videos.